Hey traders, RB Forex coach and trader here. Just come through 3 solid days of heavy rain here in Coolum. Just non-stop, so water everywhere, wild wind, almost cyclonic, but that's alright. It's come to its end. Got a whole lot of water around that'll find a place. So last night we got yesterday was interesting. We had a fantastic manufacturing number last night. Here's me talking about the news after saying I don't do the news, but it was something that I was waiting on to as a critical turning point for the trend. Brilliant number, but price actually didn't move too much on it. Not too sure why. It was waiting on something that happened overnight, and it came through in a big way, so that was cool. So this week I will most likely have doubled my real account, which I started at $250 and it'll be up to $500. So if you don't think that's impressive, then maybe you should find other ways of making money. Maybe try the bank at 2% a year, put 100,000 in and make $2,000, or you can put in 25,000 to Forex and make 25,000 in a month. So that's what I'm doing, and it's working out because I know how to read the trend and I know how to read the indicator, and that's the indicator that I share with people that I train. Some people take a while, even after they've been trained, to feel comfortable with it and have confidence with it, but you have to have confidence, because what the chart can do to you is it will force you to make assumptions. And human beings, of course, make assumptions. We do that for the sake of efficiency. We think we know the past and can extrapolate it to the future, and we quite often see things that aren't there, so we'll look at a signal and we'll say to ourselves, well, it's just about to cross. And that's what the gold chart does to you. It says, I'm just about to cross, so if you place a trade in that direction, you'll lose money, because I won't actually cross. I'm going to do a turnaround on you. And I know the structure that the gold chart trades in. I've not seen anybody else talk about it, write about it, post about it, blog about it. All the media this week was saying, I had people scoffing me yesterday saying, well, it's hit 1300, and I've read something this morning that said it's going to go up, and I'm expecting 1310, and I'm expecting this and that, and should I really be trusting the trend signal? There's a whole lot of input, folks, here that you need to ignore. You need to ignore it, and if you do that, then you will achieve these very high rates that I do, or returns that I do, and you'll have a lot more confidence in yourself and your chart as a trader. So we will continue to compound that account. 500 each. I've done an animation, it's on my website. It'll show you how quickly 2,000 becomes a significant amount of money. In 6 months becomes $1 million, and once you're up to $1 million, you're at a couple of million in a few weeks, and then you're looking at 10 and 20 and 30 and 40, and that's when you get to that level, that's a whole new kettle of fish. So good manufacturing number there. There's some really good numbers coming through for the US economy now, which will improve the US dollar. all that being said, we need to just keep in mind that it's October land, and we don't know what the evil powers that be might be up to from here to the end of the year. I've got a fair idea of what's going to happen based on what the last couple of years have done. I've mentioned January, February in the past, so I'm able to fill in the gaps. But look, if you're trading trading really badly, and you know it's just super frustrating, and you're ready to give up, then you need to get in touch with me, because the way I trade, the chart setups that I have, they'll teach you not to overtrade. They'll teach you to stop overtrading. They'll teach you to stop being triggered. They'll teach you to look at the chart in a better way than what you are at the moment. They'll teach you to second guess what the media is telling you, and it'll teach you to double your account in a month, which is pretty cool. So get in touch with me if you want to. I can only train so many people. I've only got so much time in the day. I've said this in the past when I take people on, and they commit to me. I want to give them the time and effort and commitment to get them up to the level that they need to be, so then they don't need to contact me ever again. It's a one-off situation. They're home and hosed, all sorted, so to speak, and they can go on to becoming successful traders and not messing around. Alright guys, talk to you again. Cheers, bye.